Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing 3 clear ideas to link. Once done, pick basic connectors like and but so because these are your glue. You should say short phrase pairs aloud, pause, then attach a connector and finish the second phrase. This trains timing and rhythm. Make sure to keep verbs in the same tense and to match subjects because consistency prevents awkward jumps. Repeat 1-minute drills daily, and you'll feel transitions become automatic rather than forced. You now expand chains by joining independent and dependent clauses. Once comfortable, invert order to change emphasis and meaning. Use transitional adverbs, however, therefore, meanwhile, to signal relation and slow down when a complex connector appears so the listener follows. Pay attention to intonation, rise for questions, fall for conclusions, and insert brief pauses at commas. This shapes flow. Record yourself and compare takes. That feedback shows whether connectors sound natural or clunky. You finish by polishing links, remove redundant connectors and trim long clauses. Once trimmed, the sentence breathes and listeners follow. If clarity drops, split into 2 sentences because shorter units often read smoother. Make sure to read aloud slowly, listening for bumps where words collide, then rephrase with a different connector or reorder phrases. If you still get stuck, backtrack to the last clear idea and rebuild the link step by step. That one troubleshooting move fixes most breakdowns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.